Hey there, folks! Today, we're going to whip up a scrumptious microwave apple crisp for one. Perfect for those times when you're craving something sweet, but don't want to make a whole batch. So, let's get started. First, we need to gather our ingredients. Here's what you'll need. 1 medium apple, peeled and sliced Granny Smith or Honey Crisp work great. 1/2 TBSP butter, melted. 1 TBSP brown sugar, 1/4 TSP cinnamon. 1 TSP flour helps thicken the filling. 1 TBSP water optional, for extra juiciness. For the crisp topping. To TBSP rolled oats, 1 TBSP flour. 1 TBSP brown sugar, 1 TBSP butter, cold and cubed. Pinch of cinnamon or nutmeg optional. Now, let's get cooking. Start by preheating your microwave to 700 watts. Place the apple slices in a microwave-safe bowl and top with the melted butter. Sprinkle on the brown sugar, cinnamon, and flour. If you're feeling extra juicy, add a tablespoon of water. Give it a gentle stir to combine everything. Next, it's time to make the crisp topping. In a small bowl, mix together the rolled oats, flour, brown sugar, and a pinch of cinnamon or nutmeg, if using. Then, add the cold, cubed butter and use your fingers to mix it all together until it resembles a crumbly topping. Now, let's put it all together. Sprinkle the crisp topping over the apple mixture, and voila! Your microwave apple crisp for one is ready to be enjoyed. Remember, the cooking time will vary depending on your microwave, so keep an eye on it and stop cooking when the apple slices are tender and the topping is golden brown. And there you have it, folks! A delicious, single-serving microwave apple crisp that's perfect for those times when you're craving something sweet, but don't want to make a whole batch. I hope you enjoy this recipe as much as I do. Thank you for joining me today, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes and cooking tips. Happy cooking, everyone!